Rivers and lakes are the way of life given to us by nature. They provide us with the source of life and carry ships for the circulation of commercial goods. On rivers and lakes, we need to dredge pipelines to clean up the river to protect our fountain of life and maintain the smooth transportation of ships. The main role of the dredging pipeline is to clean the silt at the bottom of the river, keep the channel clean, prevent traffic jams, and facilitate the smooth passage of ships. The discharge hose is a pipeline that discharges the mud to the mud unloading site. It is the auxiliary equipment for the dredging project. The mud excavated by rake suction and cutter suction dredger usually needs to be blown from underwater to the shore. The dredging pipeline includes a suction hose, discharge hose, pipe floats, underwater pipe, shore pipe, and its pipeline accessories. The discharge pipeline is composed of multiple sludge discharge pipes connected in series, which is used to convey the mud. In actual dredging projects, in order to make the water pipeline more smooth, self-floating pipes are often used in special parts such as the connection of water and underwater pipes. Make up the same pipeline as in the video to maintain the smooth navigation of the channel. Nanjing Deers is specialized in manufacturing dredging hoses and pipelines. Our dredging hoses and pipelines have been provided to clients in many countries. We have strict management systems including production, quality control, packing, transportation, and after-sale services. We can make sure all of our products will be tested before delivery, and if clients need, third-party testing is also welcomed. Our mission is to provide dredging pipelines for waterways around the world.